So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Claude AI app that you can install on your PC, and you can directly be having access to it and continue its usage. So once you open your Cloud AI, if you have not installed it on your system, you're going to see it down here at the bottom left. You can see Get Apps and Extensions. You can just click, and this is going to help you to download the application that you can directly install on your PC. You can see right now, so when you have the desktop version, you can be able to do many more things. So all you need is to specify, are you going for desktop, for a mobile, or any other thing. You can see, so let's say I'm going for desktop and I'm going for Windows. I can just click to download for my Windows. And right now you can see I have just downloaded it, and these are the steps. Okay, click on the executable file, launch it, and then start the chat. Okay, so look at the executable file in here. I just click it and it's going to launch, and then we can start our charts directly. So as you can see, it's been downloaded. So let's say click to get started, and you can log in with your any of your accounts, and then you can start directly. Okay, and you can see we now have Cloud as a standalone application on my system. Please go ahead, follow through, and then install it on your system if you want it. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.